Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the issue where you click on Grand Theft Auto 5, but the launcher just loads for a second and then closes without ever starting the game. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common reason GTA 5 refuses to launch is that Windows Security, or your antivirus, is mistakenly flagging one of the game files as a threat and blocking it. To fix this, go to your Windows search bar and type Windows Security, then open the app. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down until you find the Exclusions section and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click the Add an Exclusion button and select Folder from the drop-down list. Now navigate to where your GTA 5 is installed. This is usually in Program Files, Epic Games, GTA 5, or Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Grand Theft Auto 5. Select the entire Grand Theft Auto 5 folder and click Select Folder. This tells Windows, hands off this folder, allowing the game to run without interference. If adding the exclusion didn't work immediately, we can try briefly disabling the active shield to see if that allows the launch. Go back to that same Manage Settings page in Windows Security. Look for the toggle that says Real-Time Protection. Turn this switch off. Note, Windows will warn you that your device is vulnerable, but we are only doing this for a minute to test the game. Try launching GTA 5 now. If it opens, you know the antivirus was definitely the culprit. Don't forget to turn this back on after you are done playing. Finally, if the game still won't start, you might have missing or corrupted files. Instead of downloading random files from the internet, we will use the official repair tool. If you're on Steam, right-click GTA 5 in your library, go to Properties, click Installed Files, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you're on Epic Games, click the three dots next to GTA 5 in your library, select Manage, and click Verify. If you are using the Rockstar launcher directly, go to Settings, select GTA 5 under My Installed Games, and click Verify Integrity. This will automatically scan your folder and re-download any missing files that were preventing the game from starting. And that's it. You now know how to stop Windows from blocking GTA 5 so you can get back to Los Santos. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.